Now, the first way to take it is you can always put it in a cup. Just mix it around with some milk or water, or put it in some sort of beverage, because it always sort of dissolves. It might have to be some warm water or cold water, depending on what dissolves better. But you can always put it just in a cup and mix it around. It's really efficient and easy to take. Or you can actually put it in some yogurt like I have here. Just make sure it's not too concentrated. Like, this is not a ton of yogurt, so you might want 2 of these, depending on how much you're actually taking. And you can always put some granola or just honey in it, or even fruit or banana, cut it up in general. And that's always a really good tasting way to actually take it. And the third and last way is you can put it in a smoothie like I have here. Just put some water in it, put some of it, and just mix it around. And you also get all the freaking good fruit while you're taking it. And as you can see, those are just the 3 easiest ways to actually take this. So yeah, just yogurt, oatmeal, or water, or milk, or even in a smoothie. Or you can dry scoop it, kind of like I do, which is really efficient but kind of weird. And drink some water immediately after. But yeah, that's all you do.